Benny's Big Balloon Adventure. Once upon a time, in a little village, there lived a curious bear cub named Benny. Benny loved exploring, but what he loved most of all were balloons. Big balloons, tiny balloons, red, blue, and yellow ones. Benny thought they were the most magical thing in the world. One sunny morning, Benny visited the village fair. "Wow!" he exclaimed, his eyes sparkling like stars. There were balloons everywhere. Benny bought the biggest, shiniest balloon he had ever seen, a bright golden one with little stars that sparkled in the sunlight. "Let's go on an adventure," Benny said to his balloon. He held the string tightly as the balloon floated higher and higher. But suddenly, a strong wind whooshed by, whoosh! The wind lifted Benny right off the ground. "Whoa!" Benny giggled as he floated up into the sky. His balloon was taking him on the biggest adventure of his life. First, Benny floated over the forest. Below, his animal friends waved. "Look, it's Benny!" squeaked Squeaky the squirrel. "Be careful up there!" hooted Ollie the owl. Benny waved back and shouted, "I'm flying!" Next, Benny floated over a sparkling lake. Fish jumped out of the water to greet him. "Hi, Benny," said Fin the fish. "Where are you going?" Benny laughed. "I don't know yet." Then Benny floated into a fluffy white cloud. He met Puffy, a cloud who loved making shapes. "Want to play?" asked Puffy. Benny nodded, and together they made cloud shapes of animals, an elephant, a bunny, and even a rocket ship. But suddenly Benny heard a loud pop. Oh no! A little bird named Chirpy had accidentally poked Benny's balloon with her beak. "I'm so sorry," chirped Chirpy. "It's okay," Benny said with a smile. "Every adventure has to end sometime." Benny gently floated back to the ground, landing in his village. His friends ran to greet him. "What was it like to fly?" asked Squeaky. Benny grinned. "It was magical! I met fish, clouds, and even a bird." That night, Benny lay in bed and whispered to the stars, "Thank you, golden balloon. You gave me the best adventure ever." Can you imagine flying with a balloon like Benny? What shapes would you make in the clouds?